Rally on the West Indies. Yes. It was an excellent team result. But me know, and you know, that this victory was all about new boy Shamar Joseph's phenomenal individual brilliance, putting West Indies on his shoulder and willing them to this victory over Australia. This was a kind of throwback to the glory days with a good old-fashioned fast bowler, bowling not just fast, but he was accurate, aggressive, and is genuinely skillful beyond his experience. So let's be cautious about pronouncing this another corner turner. Let's enjoy the moment. Still lots of work to be done, because Shamar Joseph will not carry West Indies on his back forever and ever and ever. In fact, I put it even further. Based on his skill set, especially as a bowler who can help himself with the bat, and that likable personality that Shamar Joseph has, his days as a fully fledged, committed test cricketer for the West Indies are numbered. It is guaranteed that the big bucks of T20 cricket will come calling and he will answer. That is why we are enjoying the moment. We are saying, rally, yeah, rally round the West Indies, go on forevermore.